Okay guys, this is a 2026 Tesla Model 3. Present you from Real Deal Auto. This is a long range, like 335 miles on a full charge. Rebuilt title, damage was high right here. All been fixed up, passed high voltage test. So it does supercharge. Got the new headlights. It's got the LED lights on the interior on these newer ones. It's got heated, cooled seats. Beautiful white interior. Yeah, so these are the LED lights that run all along here. As you can see that. So hardware 4. You can get full self-drive, pay for the subscription, 4,700 miles on it. So there's your charge. You got 330 miles on it. You can see it's not quite all the way. We've done a battery test on it. It's like, I think 98%. So basically new. Here's your seats. So you got heated and cooled seats. So there's where you'd pay for the full self-drive, premium connectivity, and your subscription here. So all your different options and fun things you can do. Heated steering wheel, if you see that. There's all your cameras. This driver's airbag did deploy in the accident, but all been replaced and fixed. This has got wireless phone charging here, cup holders. Seat looks brand new. So this display works, has watch YouTube, play games on it. It's got the Michelin tires on there. Power lift gate on these newer ones. You can purchase a charging cord for $300. '26 Model 3 long range rear wheel drive. Rebuilt title, front end damage, all fixed up, passed high voltage test. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.